Congratulations. On your excellent payment history, you now qualify for a 0% interest. One now to speak to our... Thank you for holding the line. With Credit Card Help Center, my name is Rachel Lewis. How are you doing today?
Fine.
I believe that you are responding to get 0% on your credit card. Is that correct?
Yes, are you a computer-generated automated machine? Okay. Then you should know that I'm on a do not call list, right?
Yes.
So you called me.
Let me tell you. This is not a sales call or a telemarketing call. You are approved to get a 0% interest on your existing...
Why are you talking to me still?
I am not trying to sell you something new. You are pre-qualified to get a 0% interest.
Why are you still talking to me when I'm on a do not call list?
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
No, I don't want you to call me anymore. You don't get it. I'm on a do not call list. And they call. Wow.
The number you have reached has been disconnected.
So that was entertaining. The lady it was definitely a computer generated thing. Well, you're not, they're just going off on our words, and I kind of changed my words up a little bit. And if you noticed and you listened to the last one, it seems like they're real. They're actually not. That's not even, believe it or not, it was calling out of a Pakistan, but they're trying to use English so they get all your information. That's how well the integrated the systems work now to go with your voices and everything else. So, in other words, they're trying to scam you, and they can't answer really direct questions, and that's why because it was just an automated, and you would never have known it by how they were talking.